Alright, so, as you probably know by the title of the video, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a homemade binder. You're going to want to start with grabbing an old sports bra, or new one, depending on what you want. Try and get one that's a full panel, so you can see where it ends. On the sides, you just kind of guess if that's not sewn, which this one is not. You're going to want to fold it like this, right? So leave that to the side, grab some paper, and tape it together so we can make a pattern. You can use any type of tape. I'm using just this clear stuff. Alright, so once you have your paper taped together, you want to make sure that this fits completely flat on it. And you're going to want to also make sure that it's tall enough to end where this ends. Next step, lay it flat. You're going to want to trace it. You can use pretty much anything, just don't want to stain this. So I'm going to try using this. This is too small, I might use a Sharpie. Now what I did was I folded it in half and then I cut it out so it would be symmetrical on both sides, but you don't have to do that. You can cut it out just as is. Boom. Nice. Now you're going to want to get your fabric. You can use almost anything. This is the bottom of, well, it used to be a bedspread's edging, but all you need to worry about is that it is not stretchy. You want to make sure that it will not stretch. So something that's pretty durable, and you'll want it to be breathable. So hopefully something thin, but if you have to have something thicker, that will be okay too. It'll just be warmer. Sharpie's dying on me. Now we're going to flip it over and trace it this way. Okay, now we have our pattern, but don't cut it out yet. We're going to draw maybe half an inch out away so that we have seam allowance. We're going to be folding it and sewing it before we sew it onto the bra. Okay, now cutting. Huzzah! We are done with the cutting. Alright, so you're going to want to fold this extra fabric, fold it behind so you have only a little bit showing above your line. And then you're going to want to pin it or clip it. And if you are hand sewing, you don't need to do this step. You'll simply skip this step and move on to the next one. Alright, so once you have yours pinned or clipped, go ahead and sew it using your sewing machine. Ooh, fun. Okay, so once you get it all sewn around the edge, it should be, secured. So the back is sewn like that, right? You're going to take it and pin it or clip it onto your bra. You're going to match up this with the stitching up here that you use the pattern to get it out to. And then on the sides, you're just going to bring it as far as that is, right? When you get it pinned on, right, it'll look like that on the sides. This one's already been done. This was how it will look when it's finished. When I sewed this, I don't know how well this will be visible, but I did a stitching, yeah, there we go, with zigzagged. So that's a little extra strength there. You don't have to do that. It just will help it to last longer and not to snap off, which it probably won't. But if you're hand sewing, this is where you would just take the fabric, you would fold it like that, but you don't need to do the whole sewing bit. You just fold it, and then you pin it to this, and then you'd sew it on like that. But if you're machine sewing, it's best if you just do this extra little step. It'll help it to stay longer, and it won't come undone. Alright, so once you've got it all sewn on, you are done. I sewed mine on in the inside this time. See if it would make a difference in how it affects, if it makes you flat enough or not. But the other one that I have, I did on the outside. So I've worn this one inside out before so that this fabric is against my skin, and it doesn't seem to make a difference, but I don't know. We'll have to see. Yeah. When you put on a binder, at first it'll just look like a sports bra, but a little bit flatter. So to make you look even more flat, you're going to want to lift up your little nipple men. So like car headlights facing straight in front of you. And that will help your chest to be more flat and give you more chesticles instead of, a chest. Woohoo. So hope you enjoyed. Adios, muchachos.